Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 19. Title of this lecture is properties of power, but we reach to power laws. It means here power has an special cases. We want to explain these things. Here power rise to an exponent m. A to the power n, power of a to the power n rise to the exponent of m, but we can write a to, we multiply exponent by exponent, m to n multiplied by m. Here we have a base to the power n to the power m. We can write a to the power n to the power m. They are different. Here we want to solve some examples. Number 1. If we have x to the power 2 whole to the power 3 means x to the power 2 multiply x to the power 2 multiply x to the power 2. It is equal to x to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2. It is equal to 6. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Then we can write x to the power 3. It is equal to x to the power 2 into 3. It is equal to x to the power 6. It is shorter than this. Therefore, we use the law, these laws. Number 2, x to the power 2 to the power 3. It is equal to x to the power 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 3 times. It is equal to x to the power 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. It is x to the power 2 to the power 3. It is equal to x to the power 8. They are different. Also, these things are different. Number 3, example 3. 7 to the power 2 whole to the power 5. It is equal to whole to the power 3. It is equal to 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 10 by 5, 10 multiplied by 3, 30. Number 4. Number 4, 2 the power 3 to power 4. It is equal to 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 4 times. 2 power 3 multiplied 4 times. It is equal to 81. 2 to the power 81. Number 5. Number 5. X to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2 whole to the power 3. It is equal to x to the power minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 3. It is equal to x to the power minus 2, 3 multiplied by minus 2, 6 multiplied by 3, 18. Number 6. Number 6, 4 to the power 2 the power 3 the power 2. It is equal to 4 to the power 2 the power 3 2 times. It is equal to 4 to the power 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 9. It is equal to 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 9 times. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is equal to 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 8 times. 8 times 256 multiplied by 2. It is equal to 4 to the power 512. 512. Number 7. Number 7. 4 to the power 2 the power 3 the power 3. It is equal to the power 2 it is equal to 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. It is equal to 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 12. It is 4 to the power 512. Here 4 to the power 12. They are completely different. It was the law of powers. Next class we will solve some special case of laws of power. They are very important.